I'm like so big, except a lot sexier. Uh, Hello everybody. This is how do you say this? That cooking. Today we do some cooking. What you see here is the mushroom. So the people in the TV, they see that I'm going to cut this mushroom. We're going to cook this mushroom, and then we're going to make it very how do you say this in the English? Delicious. Okay, so first we take the knife. This knife is short and fat, like the cock, like the penis. Take the knife and just cut the mushroom. Very careful not to cut the fingers as you cut this mushroom. But this a little bit bullshit. This mushroom. It's okay, but this bullshit. This mushroom little bit just fucked up. You know, this mushroom it tastes okay. Little bit bullshit. You know, it's not the best mushroom. Okay, in France we have the greatest mushroom. We have the greatest food and the greatest wine. This mushroom bit bullshit, but okay, I still cut this mushroom. This the mushroom, I cut this. As you can see, a little bit bullshit. The mushroom first before cut fit in this container. Now after cut does not fit in this container. What the fuck? This defy the laws of how to say this physics. Don't know, but we're going to cook anyway. So first we cook this mushroom already sliced. So this is garlic in my hand. This is a very good ingredient. One quick thing, Edward and Matthew, little bit shit cook. Going to teach them basics. Need to start like very little small children explaining. So basically, guys, make sure you cut the garlic and make sure you put loads in to make it taste good. Very good, guys. You keep watching. I teach you, guys. I teach you. Okay, so guys, we have how do you say this? Fuck, this oh yeah, the fish. We have this this delicious fishes is baking. We want to make sure that the flavor is locked in, so you get the full flavor in the fish, and then you take the little fishy and oh, and in the mouth, and then on top of the fish you have this here, which is the garlic. Sauteing the garlic for Edward and Matthew. This is how you cook the garlic, okay? You got to cook the garlic, okay, guys? Yeah. Okay, guys, I finished cutting the onions. I did not show you guys cutting the onions. If you do not know how to cut the onions, you should not have been born. That's very simple. Fact, bullshit. If you cannot cut this onion, it's bullshit, huh? Okay, guys, for Edward and Matthew, this is pepper and this is salt. You use these, guys, huh? See this one? This one, do it. Pause for a second so you can take a screenshot and try to remember. This one goes in this mix to make it taste. You know the flavors. You just want to, you know, taste and and taste the flavor. So this guys is going in there. We're cooking the mushroom, the onion. Uh, Guys, a little bit bullshit, fuck up. This mushroom and onion, it's not the best, but okay, it's not France. Maybe we have to just work with what we have, huh? Stay tuned, guys. I'm like so big, except a lot sexier. Take the pepper, like this. Make sure the cap is off, because that would make you look, how to say this, stupid. And crack the pepper, like that. Make sure just one last crack, for extra taste. Want to make it very good for you, yeah? When cooking, guys, you really need to get this flavor and just make sure properly smell her straight into the how do you say this nose. This very fresh. Now, guys, we put the spinach in. This will lock in the flavor as discussed. You need to have lots of flavor so that when you eat this, it tastes so good. Oh, look at that spinach. It's a tight little spinach. And this little onion, oh, you're going to get eaten, little onion, huh? Oh. This is kind of bullshit though. In France we have better ingredients, of course. France is better than everywhere else. I am better because I'm French. I'm from France. Okay guys, time to get this fish out and put this on the plate. Take some of this and some of this. And guys, Edward, Matthew, maybe you little bit bullshit cook, bit shit, okay, no worries, I don't judge. Me, I'm about probably best cook I know. This food, 10 out of 10, sometime maybe you can try. Guys, let's see how the fish is. Oh, fuck. This is a bit hot, guys. Burn my finger a little. It's okay. Take this fish, perfectly cooked, on the plate. Take this fish, perfectly cooked, on the plate. Take this hot tray first. Burn the finger. Now guys, when you plate, you must always remember art first. Guys, A-R-T, this word, I don't know how you say this. The artist, artistic. Guys, so first, take some of this spinach. Take the spinach and just lay over the fish, like that. Guys, take some spinach, lay over the fish, like that. So guys, if you little bit shit cook, this help you hide the shit cooking underneath this spinach for Edward and Matthew. Guys, little bit more. A little more. More. Okay, guys. Now, Now, Edward, Matthew, this is a tomato. Yeah. This one, maybe someday you will cook with this one. Guys, you take the tomato, you lay it on the side, like this. Each tomato, as you can see, had a little bit behind the other. So guys, how you do this? You take 3 tomatoes, then you take 1 tomato, then you take the next tomato, then shit. Sorry, you take this tomato, and then like that. This perfect, guys. Best meal ever cooked in the history of the world, apart from my home, which is France. This is perfect cooking, does not get any better. Edward, Matthew, take notes. Call me, no worries. Ingredients, little bit bullshit, not France, but okay, I still cook. Guys, that's all for today. Bon appetit, motherfuckers.